Hi, welcome to Sai's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a beautiful coconut mint fried rice. So we're going to start with our ingredients. We're going to start with a bowl of cooked basmati rice. I have about 2 cups of basmati rice. We have clarified butter, which is about a couple of tablespoons of clarified butter, which is otherwise called ghee. I have some desiccated unsweetened coconut available from the market, and I have some fresh coconut too from home. I have some chopped mint leaves, about a couple of tablespoons, a tablespoon of salt, fennel seeds, which is for seasoning, a clove of garlic that's been sliced, Thai chilies. According to your spice, I have about a whole Thai chili chop because I like the flavor of my spice going into my sweetened coconut, so there's a good fusion happening there. The cooking oil is going to be canola oil, which is about a quarter cup of oil. Okay, let's begin cooking. Okay, we're going to start with the pan on the stove with medium flame. Wait for your pan to get hot. And then we're going to start adding our quarter cup of oil. We're using canola oil for your cooking, so you could use any oil that you're comfortable in your kitchen. It could be olive oil, it could be sunflower oil, any oil. And then once the oil is hot, I see my oil is hot because my pan was really hot to begin with. We're going to add a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Now fennel is the same family as cumin. So fennel traditionally used to be used as a mouth freshener, and it used to be coated with sugar, with different colors. If you go to Indian restaurants, you see this fennel seeds sitting welcome you in the front. So that's the fennel seeds we are adding. Now once it turns brown right away, we're going to season our oil with chili flakes. I have my clove of garlic there, so I've added that. We're going to add our mint because it's a mint fried rice, coconut fried rice. So we're going to pile of all our fresh herbs and our seasoning into the oil. There we go, beautifully done. Now at this point I'm going to add about half a cup of desiccated unsweetened coconut. Now this is available in the market on the shelves. Just make sure you have the unsweetened one, so you don't want your fried rice to be too sweet. Okay, so we're creating a base for our fried rice. Now I've cooked basmati rice in the proportion of 1 cup is to a cup and a half of water in an open pot rice cooker, and I've got this rice ready, and you see your coconut turning brown, golden brown, which is what you're looking for. At this point you're going to add the rice. A lot of people love the combination of pineapple and coconut in their food, like a Hawaiian pizza. So you can add finely chopped pineapple pieces to this to give it a touch of sweetness, which would be a beautiful twist to have an Hawaiian fried rice for a change. And I'm going to season my rice with some salt, about a teaspoon of salt. So this is where you're adding salt for this recipe here. Now I have a fusion of spice from my Thai chilies, salt and sweetness from the coconut. So it's a beautiful fusion of all the flavors in this recipe here. I can smell the mint beautifully in the rice. And again, if you don't like mint, you want to add some homegrown fresh basil, you could do that too. So herbs are of your choice. I like mint and coconut, it's a good combination, so I prefer to do this. And you can always change your recipes by adding other kind of herbs into your rice. And again, seasoning, you can do a handful of cashew nuts, You can do a handful of peanuts or pecans, anything to top your fried rice. I sometimes even do sunflower seeds, which is really good for your fried rices. Like normally people don't use seeds to season, but I love to use seeds because it gives you a beautiful twist, a lot of good fats in your recipes to add in your dietary meals. So I like to add sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. Gives you a nutty texture and flavor. So I'm almost ready. I'm turning my stove off and I'm finishing my fried rice with a touch of clarified butter, which is nothing but ghee. So this is unsalted butter melted to this consistency where the butter clarifies. So I'm just adding a little, half a teaspoon of that to get that buttery flavor traveling in my rice. So there we go, beautiful mint coconut fried rice ready. We're going to serve that, transfer it to a beautiful serving bowl. Pour our coconut rice into a serving bowl. Now you could even add a pinch of sugar before you transfer it to the serving bowl to your fried rice. That will give you an enhanced flavor of the coconut in your fried rice. Okay, that's very optional. I like to do that sometimes to bring the flavor of the coconut more up. There we go, and we are garnishing with a twig of mint there.